MSI Center M is the central hub that ensures you can seamlessly enjoy your gaming handheld experience. Simply press the MSI Center M button to access the user interface. The upper row provides access to different game platforms. The middle row houses the game library for activating installed games, while the lower row allows for quick adjustments, including user scenario, control mode for button and macro key modifications, quick settings editor for menu customization and connectivity options. Click on the settings icon for more options. First is the AI engine. We can activate the AI engine to recognize and optimize various user scenarios. Mystic Light enables you to customize the RGB effects on analog sticks and ABXY buttons, offering the flexibility to switch among 5 themes and 3 profiles for added convenience. Nahimic by SteelSeries elevates Claw's audio and voice with high-definition sound technology, delivering immersive virtual 7.1 sound through standard stereo equipment. AI-driven noise cancellation offers a dual solution for noise reduction, addressing both outgoing voices via your microphone and incoming sound through the speakers. Media Gallery is the place to find files like screenshots or recordings created through quick settings. Live Update scans your Claw to recommend an update list, ensuring that it remains up to date to maintain optimal performance.